Hello and welcome. I'm Afua Anita Asabere, founder of Konasal Legacy Partners, where we empower you to protect your family, build wealth, and leave a legacy that lasts. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by money, confused by financial terms, or unsure where to start, you're not alone. That's why we created something just for you, our weekly financial workshop program. Every Thursday, we gather online and in person to break down real-life money topics in simple, relatable ways. No fluff, no pressure, just powerful, practical guidance. Whether you want to understand how to build generational wealth or simply take control of your financial future, this workshop is your space. It's interactive, it's inspiring, and it's absolutely free. So don't wait until a crisis forces you to learn the hard way. Join us this Thursday and every Thursday as we equip you with the tools to take charge of your money and your legacy. Follow us at Konasal Legacy Partners and tap the link in our bio to register for the next session. Thank you.